Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum. This is the one which we will be making today. This is thick. You can see it has a serum-like consistency. This is made of vegan hyaluronic acid. I will leave the supplier links in the description box if you want to check. Niacinamide vitamin B3 has shown some improvement in fine lines and hyperpigmentation and is also useful for acne-prone skin. It is generally formulated at pH 6 for its stability. There are some studies which show that it works best at other pH 2, but I am formulating it for pH 6. So let's see how to make this serum.